Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to optimize images and videos for upload automatically on the Slack application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the after it has been loaded, tap on the U button down below, which is the last option. Now click on the preferences section down below, tap on advanced, which is the third option, and here, as you can see in the second section of this advanced settings section, you can see that there are two functions: optimize images for upload and optimize videos for upload. So turn on both of these functions by tapping on the button next to it until this check mark icon is placed into the box. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.